Hey crypto fam, today we're going to explore an important concept in cryptocurrency, immutability. Immutability is a key feature of blockchain technology that's important to understand, especially when it comes to sending and receiving crypto. Let's take a look. With blockchains, immutability means that once a transaction is broadcast and recorded on chain, it cannot be changed, reversed, or deleted. Think of it like getting a tattoo. Once inked, it's permanent. So, you might ask, how so? When you send crypto, it's added to the most recent block in a chain of blocks. Once that block is confirmed, meaning it's verified by miners or validators, depending on the blockchain, it becomes a permanent part of the blockchain through consensus mechanisms. As the name suggests, that block is then linked to the previous block, forming a chain. The link is unchangeable because the blocks are connected with cryptographic hashing. The longer the chain, the more permanent and secure the earlier block becomes. This secure chain of blocks ensures that any attempt to alter a transaction would require changing all subsequent blocks. Now, this is practically impossible due to the decentralized nature of blockchain networks and the immense computational power required. Now, to give you a bit of perspective, one high-performance computer might be able to achieve a hash rate of a few terahash per second. You would then need hundreds of millions of these computers to match the current hash rate of the Bitcoin network. And even if you did match Bitcoin's hash rate, the decentralized nature of the network, the consensus mechanism, and the economic incentives make it extremely difficult, if not impossible, to alter a block. Altogether, it would be a highly impractical undertaking. Now, as we see, the answer to why a transaction cannot be reversed or canceled lies in how the blockchain is designed. The blockchain structure ensures finality, and once you hit send, there's no going back. The transaction is final. So you'll need to be extra careful when sending funds. Some best practices are to double check the recipient's address, copy and paste it, or use a QR code to scan it. Verify the amount you're sending and be mindful of the transaction fees so as not to overpay. The immutability of blockchain is a powerful feature that enhances security and trust in the system. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please give a like and subscribe to the channel for more great explainer and tutorial videos from Exodus.